Hello, remote family. I'm Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I am back with another work from home job for you guys. And as always, I have 100% a no phone job, which doesn't require any degree and very little experience. So, the opening which I have is with this company, Tegria, and they are into healthcare services. So, let's get into their requirements. So, they are looking for quality assurance analyst. It's 100% a remote job, and the compensation which they're offering is anywhere between $17 to $28 an hour. So let's see the job details, the requirements. So the responsibilities include routinely perform quality assurance account overviews for assigned teams, monitor inbound and outbound calls to complete quality assurance monitoring and assure proper patient interaction and client performance. Assess quality of insurance services by reviewing and auditing accounts for timely and proper follow-up. Audits define company or project account flows and record results of all QA account assessments and audits, identify inefficiencies and process gaps that are contributing to decreases in performance, and recommend best practices for ongoing process improvement. You will participate in quality calibration initiatives with management, training, and operations team, resolve routine questions or problems, escalating complex issues to management as needed. You will utilize audit findings to report on trends and recommend training modifications to management. You may perform HIPAA audits to ensure compliance with current HIPAA policies. You will meet with individual team members to conduct monthly quality assurance scoring and feedback sessions. You will coach team members individually to maximize training results, improve quality metrics, and increase client performance. Prepare and distribute quality assurance performance statistics, a frequent calibration of quality assurance monitoring to ensure consistent administration of quality assurance objectives and other duties as assigned. So, the qualifications required for this job role are a high school diploma or equivalent, 2 years experience in healthcare, insurance collections, self pay collections, and customer service in a call center. Must have strong understanding of the basic healthcare revenue cycle operational process, such as the functions of insurance, patient billing, and collections, an ability to navigate through multiple software and computer applications, a detail oriented and well organized, an ability to focus completely on listening to calls, understanding the message, comprehending the information, and transferring knowledge to the QA process, ability to perform under pressure in a calm manner and maintain a positive attitude, a basic maths and collaboration, and a strong analytical skills, and should be a computer literate ability to use functions of a computer, and excellent customer service, verbal, written, listening, and interpersonal skills, and perform tasks with high degree of accuracy, positively influence and promote teamwork with operational area, ability to motivate staff to improve performance, capacity to maintain a high level of objectivity when completing staff reviews, computer skills like Microsoft Office, and self-motivated and resourceful with the ability to multitask and meet deadlines under time pressures. So this was the job requirement for this no phone job. So if you're interested in this, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link for this below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you're looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.